Hi, my name is Sadia Yasmin. I work with the Interwork Advice Service. I work as one of the community inclusion officers. The way that I first found out about Interwork was I headed down to a jobs fair that they were at. I had no prior knowledge on what they do or what services they offer. So I sort of explained my situation. I had done a lot of community related work in the past, and they told me there was a community inclusion officer role going at the moment, and suggested I sign up with their services. I was then appointed with one of the youth mentors, Yasmin, who was absolutely amazing. She helped me throughout the whole process, from interview prep to application to helping with my CV, and in general growing my confidence. I think it can be very daunting as a young person that's looking to get back into work or just doesn't know what avenue to go down. So she helped me throughout getting the job, and now it's a sort of full circle moment. I help a lot of young people and also adults over the age of 25 as well, getting back into work, basically telling them about the mentoring services and all the other services that we have to offer, and signposting them to the right departments. I think it's pretty cool because a lot of people can sort of see it as like a real life example of the fact that this service works. So when I tell them my experience and my story, they get really motivated and they also want to go through the services as well. So yeah, I would suggest if anybody is looking to get back into work and doesn't know which route to go down, Interwork is where I would start with.